bring in my guest for this hour, criminal defense attorney, former prosecutor David Bruno. David, great to see you. Thank you so much, as always, for being on the show with me. First and foremost, as we're watching these victim impact statements, you know, we have the defendant sitting there and she's picking up, you know, tissues. She's been crying the entire time. I don't know why she's crying. Is she crying because of what she's done? Is she crying for herself, her own family? She's got 4 or 5 kids of her own. But what really matters here, and it's hammered home for me every time we do one of these, is how important this is for the victims to be able to get up there and say these things. And in this case especially because, again, there might be this lack of closure because there's no admission of guilt. Even though she's willing to accept a penalty, she's pled no contest.
Oh, and she's going to receive a penalty on this one, Michael. I mean, you know, the criminal justice system is certainly the greatest in the world. But with that being said, the problem with it is it separates these two sides. The Fifth Amendment right to remain silent for the defendant, and the victims, they don't get to speak to anyone other than their counselors, the victim witness advocates, and the prosecutors. And one thing is unfortunate in this system is that the two sides can't talk. And we have the system because it has to go through the system. But oftentimes you have defendants that want to express remorse, and you have victims that want to tell their story. And neither can do that in the structure that we're at. And now we're here. We're in that opportunity for both sides and the victim's family. And Michael, in the almost 2 decades of work I've done in the criminal justice system, I've never seen anything like this. A bus of family members like this that were all affected. 2 died. You have the amputation of the last victim, and you have the cascading and rippling effect through that family and the defendant's family, all at once coming together at this particular hearing.
Yeah, it just devastated the whole family. That became very, very clear. We'll see what the judge does. Stand by, David. I do have to step aside. Coming up next.